What do you think about a robot that can help you finish dinner and clean your entire house in just 2 hours? This November, the Tesla Bot Gen 3 will officially launch with groundbreaking new features. For the past year, Tesla Bot has been training 16 hours a day at the Fremont Factory to expand its range of useful tasks before going on sale next year with an expected price between $30,000 and $50,000. The Gen 3 version will bring major upgrades compared to earlier models, especially its human-like hands. Elon Musk revealed that thanks to its self-learning ability, this Tesla bot can perform up to 100 new tasks every day, from cooking meals and preparing breakfast to cleaning the house. Optimus is practically like a personal assistant. Tesla has also upgraded the hardware, so Optimus can work much faster than we ever expected. It's ready for mass production, and that's why you'll want to buy one next year. We believe you'll love it. Throughout 2024 and 2025, through videos and impressive demonstrations, Tesla Optimus has shown not only smooth walking ability, but also skillfully executed basic actions and household chores. From picking up and placing simple objects to more complex tasks like serving popcorn at the Tesla diner. Another noteworthy improvement is Optimus' more natural walking motion. Right now, most companies developing humanoid robots still struggle with stiff, awkward steps that look a bit like Joe Biden's walk. In contrast, Tesla has made a big leap with Optimus, giving it smooth, stable mobility across various terrains. According to Elon Musk, Optimus still walks slowly for now, but by the time it goes on sale, it will match human walking speed, and it almost never falls. Although Optimus is promoted as an industrial robot, Tesla is pioneering a complete shift in how we think about humanoid robots. Instead of limiting it to specialized factory work, Tesla is training and prioritizing Optimus to become a household companion. Its abilities in cooking and cleaning are clearer than ever before. According to recent updates, Tesla Bot Gen 3 has accomplished 2 complex tasks that no one thought possible before. At the Fremont Factory, Optimus has been able to cook simple dinners and carry out multiple cleaning chores, vacuuming, mopping floors, picking up toys, and taking out the trash. Tesla Bot performed all of this in the real world, and in just 2 hours. Oh my God, that's absolutely insane. Elon Musk has been openly thrilled by this success, calling it clear proof of Tesla Bot Gen 3's superior ability to take over repetitive tasks once done only by humans. With its learning capacity and flexible adaptability, Tesla Bot Gen 3 can continuously improve with each task, boosting efficiency and bringing people a more convenient way of life. However, to be honest, for decades, when people talked about robots and artificial intelligence, most often they pictured science fiction. Robots that can walk, talk, and serve meals. All of this seemed to exist only in Hollywood movies like I, Root or in far-off futuristic fantasies. In fact, for the majority of the public, the idea of a machine standing in the kitchen, slicing tomatoes, spreading mayonnaise on bread, and serving up a fresh, hot sandwich sounds nothing short of absurd. They believe cooking requires subtlety, sensory perception, and the dexterity of human hands. Qualities that even the most advanced machines struggle to replicate. From that perspective, robots may replace humans in factories and assembly lines. But preparing breakfast, that sounds downright ridiculous. Oh my God. While we've seen many automated cooking machines before, never has there been any news about a humanoid robot being able to cook or prepare food. Clearly, Optimus is beginning to blur the line between science fiction and reality. And from that moment, a series of questions immediately arose. How does a robot cook? How does it know what's a tomato and what's cheese? And more importantly, why does Tesla consider cooking one of the top skills to develop for Optimus? To understand the significance of this event, we first need to realize that cooking isn't just a sequence of simple mechanical actions. It's a combination of perception, dexterity, logic, and a subtle coordination of the senses. With its advanced cameras and 3D sensors, Optimus can see the world much like a human. It doesn't just recognize an egg or a slice of cheese. It also understands the spatial relationships between objects in the kitchen. It knows which item is a knife for cutting, which is a jar of sauce, and which is a piece of lettuce that needs to go between 2 slices of bread. This information is processed instantly and sent to its AI brain, enabling the robot to make precise step-by-step decisions. As we've emphasized many times in earlier episodes, the 22-degree of freedom hand of the Tesla bot is the real revolution. And it's this hand that sets it apart from its competitors. Humans have 27 finger joints along with a complex system of tendons and muscles, allowing us to both grip a baseball and thread a tiny needle with precision. Tesla has replicated this biological mechanism and applied it to Optimus hands with dozens of actuators packed into each one. All you really need to know is that it's far more mind-blowing than most people imagine. Elon Musk himself admitted that Tesla invested enormous amounts of money, time, and effort to achieve it. Thanks to this hand, the robot can delicately hold an egg without dropping it, slice a tomato into thin pieces without crushing it, and spread mayonnaise with just the right pressure. This is something most other robotics companies still fail at. They've built machines that can run and jump, but not peel an orange. It might be close to half of all the engineering in the Optimus. From an electromechanical standpoint, the hand is probably roughly half of the engineering. But so much the intelligence of humans goes into what we do with our hands.
Yeah.
The third point, and also the key to Optimus achieving the impressive speed of 10 minutes per sandwich, is its ability to learn through simulation. As we mentioned earlier, over the past year, Optimus has been trained in the factory using videos of humans at work, quickly feeding that data into what Elon Musk calls its real brain. If Optimus can watch videos, YouTube videos or how-to videos or whatever, and based on that video, just like a human can learn how to do that thing, then you really have a task extensibility that is dramatic, because then it can learn anything very quickly, and Tesla has some important missing ingredients that others don't have, which is our robot has a real brain. It's like the Wizard of Oz.